The next dietary deficiency disease is vitamin deficiency disease. You need to remember that there are various kinds of vitamins, and because of the lack of those vitamins we may suffer from various kinds of diseases, dietary deficiency diseases. So vitamins are such nutrients which are required by our body in very small quantities. You require it in very small quantities, and if these are not there, so that will cause us vitamin deficiency disease. So in the list, the first one is vitamin A. Here in the bracket, you can see some names. These are the biological particular chemical names for vitamin A. So chemical name of vitamin A is retinol. Of vitamin B it is thiamine. Vitamin B3 is niacin. So these all are the chemical name of these vitamins. First one in the list, vitamin A. The chemical name is retinol. What diseases it will cause is night blindness, that is loss of vision in the darkness. Night blindness, from the term itself you can understand, you will suffer from blindness in night. रात को कुछ नहीं दिखता है. And xerophthalmia means our cornea is a transparent coating over the eyes. So that transparent coating which is over the eyes, it will dry up, it will be in dried form, it will not be humid and watery or wet. If it is not wet, it is dried cornea. Then if you don't want to suffer from these deficiency diseases or vitamin A deficiency disease, what you need to take in your diet, your diet should be rich in yellow fruits like mango. Mango is rich source of vitamin A. Vegetables like carrot, fish if you are non-vegetarian, otherwise vegetarian won't prefer fish, and eggs. Then what are the functions of vitamin A? Vitamin A maintains healthy skin and eyes. It also it serves as a resistance against infections. Then the second one is vitamin B1. The chemical name is thiamine. This will cause us beriberi. Beriberi is nerve degeneration and extreme weakness. Then our nerves, the nerves of our body, they will suffer from weakness, they will get degenerated, they will start aging before its time. जितने समय उनको एज होना चाहिए उसके पहले ही वो लोग एज्ड हो जाते हैं, एज्ड, ओके, दे आर एजिंग बिफोर द एज. देन देयर इज लॉस ऑफ एपिटाइट एंड वेट भी कम होते जाता है, भूख भी नहीं लगती है. सो दैट इज विटामिन B1 deficiency diseases or its symptoms. If you don't want to suffer from this, what you need to take? Eggs, whole grains, sprouts and nuts. What does this vitamin B1 functions in? It functions to maintain the proper functioning of nervous system. Third one, vitamin B3. The chemical name is niacin. Its deficiency will cause pellagra and dermatitis. Dermatitis is skin inflammation. The skin of our hands will or our body will start inflaming. रेड हो जाती है, बर्निंग सेंसेशन लगता है, स्वोलन हो जाती है. सो दैट ऑल इज इन्फ्लेमेशन. सो इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू गेट दिस, यू नीड टू टेक मीट, लीवर, milk and eggs. So for vegetarians we only need to take milk, other is for non-vegetarians. Then maintains healthy diet. What is the function of vitamin B3? It helps in maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin C, the chemical name is ascorbic acid. The deficiency disease is scurvy. Scurvy means the gums, masude we call in Hindi. The swollen will get swollen and bleeding gums, and the teeth will also be loose. They will not be fixed and rigid. They will be loose if we suffer from scurvy. Then, the main source of vitamin C is citrus fruits. Citrus fruits includes all the all the sour fruits like lemon, orange and amla, and tomatoes. Amla means that avla we say, okay, and tomatoes. So these all are the sources of vitamin C. What is the function of vitamin C? It keeps the gums healthy, makes the immune system stronger. See, if you want a hint to all this, like vitamin C, the deficiency of vitamin C causes bleeding gums, loose teeth. And what will be the function of vitamin C? The reverse of this. If you take vitamin C, then your gums won't bleed, your gums will be healthy, your teeth will be healthy, your mouth will be healthy. So these all you can manipulate a bit.